Is it on? Can you see me? Welcome back, gang. Back in the garage. You know my favorite place. I live here. We're in the garage. And in Charlotte, it's about cold AF. Doesn't even need a degree. It's cold. I just pulled the car in after working on some coilovers and a charge pipe and a friggin' intercooler and all kind of stuff. It was a bunch of stuff. Apple CarPlay, all kind of random stuff. So my car's been outside in the rain and the cold. Do you see these droplets? Desperation. Got little puddles in my wheels. Horrible. But anyways, this is not what we're here for. We are here for a quick video on these Rexpeed pillars. Now, I'm not the biggest carbon fiber fan, and honestly, I got a black car, so there's really no point. But who cares? I got the money, let's spend it. Recently, I did these AMS wind buffeters. If you got a Supra and you don't own some, you're slacking, and you can't roll with your windows down. And then after that, I got these carbon fiber mirror caps that look way better than these. Launch edition, baby. But swap these out for these carbon mirror caps. And I went to a shop recently, saw some guy with a Supra. He clearly had money, but he was cheap because he wrapped his pillars. But it was enough for me to be like, dang, you know what, bro, guy? That actually looks really good. Let me go buy some real carbon fiber ones and we'll get back to you. So here we have them. These Rexpeeds. Actually, these Rexpeeds. Straight from like Taiwan or something. But anyways, if you order these, they're like, I'm gonna say $250. I'm not sure. I don't remember. And they came from Taiwan. It took like, I would say about a week and a half. So if you order them, don't expect them to get here tomorrow. And they came through good old DHL. So the DHL was like, oh, it'll be here Tuesday. Came like 5 days ahead of time. Super lit, not gonna complain about that. But this weather we have is super trash. So my car is wet. But I'm impatient. We're all impatient. So check it out. I used the rag and I dried off this section for you guys who are wondering. And I took it a step further and I got my heat gun and I heated it up because, helpful tip, if you're impatient or you live somewhere that's cold, sticky stuff don't like cold weather. Boom. Drop some knowledge on you, baby. So, we got it dry, nice and dry. Here, zoom in. Nice and dry, nice and warm. Definitely warm. And we're gonna rip this 3M tape off and get these pillars installed because, you know, just a quick vision of what we're supposed to be working with here. Boom, carbon on carbon right here. All real. And you know, and just so you know, for people who are new to carbon fiber or carbon fiber things, you can buy something that's carbon fiber and it can secretly be dipped. So if it's like 60 bucks and it was carbon fiber, you'd be like, oh, I got carbon fiber. No, it was hydro dipped. And you could tell because around the edges, you'll see like the pattern. But you see this real carbon fiber on the back and the front. So it's basically about, I would give it about a sheet of carbon fiber or two with a clear coat on top. So it's legit carbon fiber. So make sure if you order these to take care of them because they're actually legit. So yeah, AMS, definitely legit. I forgot this company, but they were legit too. I have a video. I will link it if I already made it. But I'm gonna put this camera down. I'm gonna get this on here, and then I'm gonna give you like a tour so you can see what it look like. So, you know, if you want to buy it, you can get it too. So, let me put this down. Maybe if this time lapse works, I might put it in the video. Maybe. But if not, flash to whatever I got for you. All right, we are back, and you're gonna like this. I like this, you're gonna like this more. Look at these from Rexpeed, that's R-E-X. Nice. They're like full caps. So top to bottom, everything covered, full caps. I like that. Heated up the 3M tape to make sure it stick really well, and top to bottom, even down into the crack. I am thoroughly impressed with these. Pull on it. Ignore my hands, I've been working. But yeah, it's sticking. Pretty nice. I like it. I like it a lot. Nothing to complain about here. Rexpeed definitely pulled out all the stops with this one. Check it out. And the clear coat's amazing. Do you see that reflection? You can't beat the reflection. And real carbon, you can't like copy real carbon. Carbon like this. The weaves are nice and tight. Everything flows perfectly. And again, I'm not even a carbon fiber fan, but we cannot dismiss that these are A1. And I did both sides. So just for like, to make sure that they're both equally as amazing, check it out. This is the passenger side, same process. Heated it up. Look at that. Put it on there, held it for a second, but literally from the inside corner all the way to the top corner, covered. It was a lot easier to do because it did cover it from top corner to bottom corner. You kind of just peeled the tape off. I peeled off all of the tape actually. You sat the bottom on that corner, reached to the top and put this over this corner and then push down the middle. And then the whole thing was ready. And you just hold it down for a second. And these things are pretty amazing. Enough with this cinematicness. But I know you see me in this. You see me in the mirror. But you definitely can see me in this. Reflecting. Super great clear coat. And like I said, carbon fiber is very well weaved. Not much to complain about there. And I guess that's your first impressions review of my Rexpeed carbon pillars with the gloss finish. I'm pretty sure they had matte finish, but why would you not? It's a glossy car, gloss finish to match up with my mirror caps, my wind buffeters, and boom, 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 carbon pillars. And if you want to see the video on my carbon mirror caps, or the wind buffeters, because I actually made a full-blown video where you can hear the noise that it makes, the noise that you were stopping. I have a video for both of those. Just look it up on my page, or I might link it somewhere on here, but we're wrapping this up. This is my Supra. These are my wheels, and if you catch me in the street, just know I got more than 500 horsepower and I will race you. I will race you. So don't even try it unless you want to smoke. 3,000 pounds now. 3,300 pounds. 500 and something horsepower. 500 and something torque. You might not want to try it. You know, it's up to you, up to your discretion. But if you want to research before you pull up on me and this guy, follow me on IG, subscribe to my videos, and I will see you next time. Let me know what you find out, because I'm ready for every last one of you. That's me with all the carbon and the wide wheels with the slight tilt on the back. Sandra's the guy. See you next time, and y'all have a beautiful day.